Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a ear spoon, visual ear spoon, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So these are really great to have if you have kids or if you know someone that's really prone to earwax. As you can see, you have your camera right there. You have your little spoons and the charger. And it also does come with a carrying case, and it looks like it got some ear tools in there. That's what the thing looks like itself, the device. Just push it on like that. Let me try to connect it to this iPad right here. Okay, sorry, it's another day. I had to reach the seller since it didn't come with the instruction manual on how to install the app and everything, and I got it now. So you want to download SeekBird. It's SeekBird. And after it's installed, you're just going to open it, just like so. Agree to their terms. So I'm going to turn this on. You hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's on. Okay, so let's go ahead. Go in my ear. You can kind of see like right here. You can see the tip of this. Like right there. It's kind of hard to use. I got a little bit of something. So I'm just gonna wipe it on here. So you can see I got some ear wax. It's just hard to go really in there. This is just like keeping it towards the outer part. Because I do not, you can see my eardrum. Let me go ahead and take this thing off so you can kind of see in there a little better. So as you can see, that's my eardrum. Looks like there's a hair on it. See that? Go ahead and look in this side. See, there's a lot of gunk right here. Like that's at the tip of my ear. But deep down inside, my ears are pretty clean. You can see it's actually not bad at all. So if I want to get the outside area cleaned up, when you get all that earwax, you just screw this back on. So as you can see, this thing works really great. Let me see my daughter's ear because her ears are sometimes disgusting. So hold this up like this towards the screen. That way I can show them. Okay, you can sit on my lap. Okay, just show it to them. Okay, I can't see. A little bit down. Oh, girl. Let me see if I can get that out. You see that? Let's see if we can get that out. Okay, as you can see, I found a lot of pieces like that in her ear, which I'm throwing this in the trash because it's so gross. It was like literally flaking out. That's what the inside of her ears look like. She one time had so much earwax that it was like a black ball, and that's why I really like using these. I don't know what's up with her. She just creates a lot of earwax, and yeah, so it definitely works. And if you have a kid that's prone to a lot of earwax, this will definitely help out. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.